welcome back to my channel. I'm at the Target parking lot because I want to get some holiday cookies. If you didn't know, I suck at baking cookies from scratch, so I'm gonna buy just some store-bought ones. So that's what we're gonna do for tonight. I'm also gonna make chicken noodle soup for tonight, not the Mexican version but the American version with like little noodles in there. And we're just gonna have a super chill evening today. It is only Monday. I'm gonna go inside Target and see what else catches my eye. Alright guys, I'm back. I haven't done much but just cook. I made myself a second coffee because I just need it. What else? I have been doing some work on Canva. I've just been working on thumbnails and like other stuff I need for videos just so I could have that ready. So I have been productive doing that. Here is my coffee. My husband actually got me this mug for my birthday. It's the sweetest mug ever. It has the best message on it and he's so sweet for that. Alright, these are the cookies I went for. They didn't have many options, but I've been seeing these all over TikTok. They're tiny. So cool. Wait. I'm currently going through royalty-free music for Christmas so that I could use on my upcoming videos because I will be doing VLOGMAS, or at least trying to. So let's see how many days I could get into it. But these are some pretty cool ones right here. Is it giving or is it not giving? That one's nice. This one else. That one's too wild. Too fast. Still going at it. No. Yeah, this is the only one I like from this playlist at least, but I'm gonna keep looking for other ones.